In this video, I'll show you how to find story memories on Facebook. You're going to be able to see old stories on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook, right? If you love to see or find your stories, like your old stories on Facebook, just click on this, right? Your account, click on settings and privacy, click on the activity log, right? So you're going to be able to find your stories here on Facebook, right? So right here you can see the story activity, click on it. I think from here you're gonna see a whole lot of options, right? You're gonna see stories, your stories activities, all stickers you have created, right? So this is basically how you can see all your old stories. If you have created a whole lot of stories here on Facebook, you're gonna be able to access your old stories through this option, right? If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.